K for Bougie Bae, and I'm back again with another video. If you are new here, make sure you're subscribed, and if you're returning, as always, thanks for tuning in. See, I got the yellow light on. Y'all let me know if y'all like this light in, or you know, I'm still trying to figure it out. I got two lights on the side and I got one light here. I got my newer lights and then that light. Today I'm going to show you how to create your labels for your lip gloss, but at home. Previously in my other video, and that's two, I do show y'all how to make labels with the Cricut machine, but I'm going to show y'all how to make it with Avery. And here are the Avery labels that I have. Avery labels that you can get from Walmart. Let me show y'all the labels that I had. Good thing I still have my old labels in here. So here are what my old labels look like. I'm gonna take it off the circle so y'all can see. These are the, what's the dimensions? Yeah, I don't know what the dimensions are. Okay, 1.5. This is what my old label looked like. It said Kendra Collections on it. I had a black logo and it was cursive font with blue. These are the stickers that I used from my old cosmetics box. So first thing we're gonna do is go ahead, open your Avery website. It's just avery.com. Start screen recording right here on my phone. First thing you're gonna do is see what size you need your circle to be. If you have a square box for a cosmetic box, or you have a rectangle label that you're trying to make, you gotta make sure you choose the right circle. So now that I'm scrolling down here, for in-store pack labels, they have labels that you can buy online, or you can go ahead and get the labels from Walmart. Now we're gonna go to the top. First thing you wanna do is click the menu bar in the upper left-hand corner, and you do wanna go ahead to templates, and then you wanna go to Avery Design and Print. Make sure you go to Avery Design and Print, and when that page loads, I'm on the page right now, you go ahead to start your design. You do want to enter your email address, so I highly recommend for you to put your business email address. Mine, I'm just going to put my business email address on here. And it's available, so you go ahead and press next, and then you just type in the name. So I'm going to put my business first name, last name, we'll put Collections, and then I'll type in, okay, random password, right? Save the password. So this is what comes into play. So you definitely have to make sure you choose the right dimensions when you're doing this, y'all, because you have to make sure it print on the right thing. So since I got the circle ones, I'm gonna go in with the circle ones and choose 1.5. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for the number. You can also type in the number at the top right hand corner of the packaging. Is 8293. So let's see if we could type in the template number, 8293. I was like, dang, they don't, why is 8293? All right, so when you find the correct dimensions, you go ahead and click it and press select. When you press select, they have a whole bunch of different designs on here. By the way, this is not sponsored. I'm just helping y'all because I made my own, as you can see, like in 2021. So when it comes to the design of the stickers, they do have some pre-made stickers on here. As you can tell, they still have like the Halloween ones going on in here. And you know, you can just edit it out if you want to go ahead and you're not creative or you don't really know what to do. You can definitely choose from there. But in this instance, I'm actually going to upload a design in here. So I'm going to press the first one. And when you open this circle, you definitely want to stay inside of the lines. When you do your logo, I do have a coupon code for y'all to use with Taylor Brands. That's personally how I made my logo, y'all. I went to Taylor Brands, and basically what I did was do a payment plan for them. Choose whatever you want to choose. They'll send your logo with a transparent background, a black background. They'll invert the colors, and basically when they invert the colors, they'll say you have a black logo, and the background is black and the letters are white. It'll be switched around, so you definitely want to have everything on it. Let me start recording again because it stopped recording. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is put my logo that I have now in there. I'm gonna go to my camera roll, photo library, and find my logo in here. Graduation pictures. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead. See, I have all those pictures in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this one because this is my main Kendra's Collections logo. Press choose, and it's gonna go ahead and upload that logo. Now, you wanna go ahead and enlarge the logo based on how big you want the logo to be. And it starts to, and it'll tell you if yours too over or it'll be cut off. So some of my letters got cut off in this black one. I had messed it up that time. And then it comes, a warning message will come up on your phone and it'll say, you know, some areas you gotta be careful because it's gonna be cut off. Your words are gonna be cut off. So you definitely wanna stay inside of the safe zone and make sure it's in the middle. The only thing I don't like about this Avery website is it doesn't tell you if it's centered like Canva. But me looking at it, it just don't look too centered. I believe that looks a little bit off. Okay. Boom. Now remember, this is what it'll look like. When you do that, you go to project in the lower right hand corner. Then a pop-up is gonna pop up on your screen and it's gonna say we print no minimums, fast turnaround, da da da. Or for this, you can go ahead and have your printer and print it out at home. This is the main objective for that. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do print PDF. Would you like to save your design? You're going to press yes. And we're just gonna save it under KC and press save. Now this is what is gonna print. For this step, what you gotta do is send this to your printer. So when you do this, you do want to press that y'all know what I'm talking about, that button at the bottom. And if you have a wireless printer, it's gonna be way more easy. All you have to do is go over here, down here, and send it to your printer. But I don't have my printer set up right now, so it's not popping up. But it should definitely be somewhere in here. And you want to do a PDF. You want to change the file to a PDF so it can print out very pretty and see all these apps coming up. You should be able to print it. Now we're gonna go back here and go back to project, and you can also email the PDF so you make sure you have it before you lose it. Make sure you email it to yourself, or you can go ahead and see if we can just press print PDF. And I'm pretty sure it'll be the same thing with the printer popping up. You just press print, not save, so that, let me exit, print. And with the wireless printer, it'll literally just print it out on this paper. So I really hope y'all enjoy watching this. I really hope you learned how to make your own labels from the comfort of your home. It's really easy. It saves you a ton of time, ton of money. If you don't know how to go ahead and make your labels and you want to go ahead and do it the other way, make sure you go tune into my other video I have on my channel. Thanks for tuning into my entrepreneur blog today, and I'll see y'all in the next video.